All right, my friends, we just got finished with Winton Island Candy. Now we are at Fired Up Ceramics. Well, if you wanted to see what the ceramic store was like, so we are going to make our way into the ceramic store. I hope everybody's enjoying these videos. Mama Whippy and I are back. I think we're going to be back with a vengeance. Ooh. So here you can paint, you pick something out and then you paint it. And then they fire it. Okay. Interesting. You pick something out, like let's say I want to do this one, 25, and then you take it over to the table, and they have acrylics and glazes, and you can choose which one you want, and you can paint it, and then they'll fire it for you. This is cool. There's a lot of kiddos in here. Well, trying not to get the kiddos in the paint station. Do not borrow from me.
What is it?
Oh yeah, I just didn't know.
Oh, these are cool.
So good, I had one myself.
Hello. How do y'all work?
Okay, so
Oh, y'all mind me recording? Okay.
so every piece is gonna have a number on it, and
Yes.
that includes the price of the paint and the firing. And then whenever you're done picking out what piece you want, you can just sit at the table, and then we'll get you the
Keep in mind that if it's 17 and below, you get 3 paints. If it's 18 and above, you get 6.
Oh, okay.
And
All right.
any paint that you want other than the 6 or the 3
Yes.
is $1 per paint.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And also
All
we
right.
have the small bottles of paint right there that we use for the detail. Which you look at that towel right there.
Like this?
And the towel has the colors on it, right?
Okay.
And the numbers are beside the colors on the towel. You can just put that up. You can use that for fine detail. It does not cost any extra, nor does it go towards your colors
Oh, okay.
you choose.
All right.
So,
Thank you.
thank you.
It's cool.
Are you ready, darling?
Okay, they all have numbers. Okay, everything up to 14. My love. Everything up to 14. You get 3 paints. Anything above 17, you get 6. You can choose your color. They gave me a price. They were real nice. They gave us a whole demonstration on how it works and stuff like that. So, and they fire it after you get done. They fire it for you. They have the kilns over here. Oh yeah, Ina would love this. Let me see if they have a brochure. All right.
Oh, are you guys together? Okay, then we'll just stay room together. Right. I got Linda, Kelly.
Do y'all have a brochure or something?
We run
Okay.
Now it's smooth out of them.
Smooth out of them. All righty.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
Usually they're right here, but none.
I guess they decided they wanted to take them all.
Right.
All righty. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed this little tour.
Tomorrow at 7 p.m. And then whenever y'all are done picking out what you want to paint, you can just go sit at the table and then we'll take our next reading.
Okay.
Very cool. Do y'all have any questions?
No. Okay, thank you. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
It's interesting how this works.
The quickest they can get it ready is 7 p.m., 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So I guess it takes time for it to go through the process.
All right. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that little tour of Fire It Ceramics. I hope y'all do like and subscribe. And this is a horrible ending, so I'm going to start it over. I want to thank everybody for watching our video. I hope y'all do enjoy it. Please do like and subscribe. It does mean a lot to us. Thank you again for watching.